So right here in front of me is the LavaAgni 5G smartphone, quite in an impressive and premium packaging. As you can see, the Agni is written boldly on this black base. Now this is India's first 5G smartphone, as it is written proudly Indian. At the back you can get this design of the phone is displayed very nicely with the features highlighted and the manufacturing details. So let's unbox it soon. The smartphone has got this magnetic flap, so it opens like a book. I'm really impressed with this. So when you unbox it, the phone, first thing you get is the phone itself in fiery blue color, and has a quad camera setup. Keeping it aside, let's talk about the other box contents. Moving ahead, you get this smartphone case, and some paperwork are also there, along with the SIM ejector pin. So this is the silicone case. Let me show it to you properly. It is this transparent silicone case. You have the SIM ejector pin as well. And apart from that, you get the charging adapter and the USB charging cable. So let's keep the box contents aside and talk about the phone itself. Now this is the smartphone. It comes in fiery blue color and is available only in one variant of 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Well, the display is quite bright. It has got a 6.7-inch full HD display and supports 90 Hz of refresh rate. Talking about the weight of the phone, it is 196 grams and has got this side fingerprint scanner is given, which is a side mounted. So this, you also get these physical volume buttons on the side. Talking about the camera, as you can see, it houses a quad camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor camera. On front, you get a 16 megapixel camera for all your selfies. Talking about the processor, it houses a MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor, which makes the phone quite fast, and is also supported by 5G bands. Now that's again the highlight of the smartphone. Below you can see you get the charging port, speaker grill, and the audio jack is also given here. Moving ahead, the phone runs on Android 11 and has got a clean software. Talking about the battery backup, it has a 5000 mAh battery, and it also comes with a C-type charging cable along with a 30-watt fast charger. So that's all about the LavaAgni 5G smartphone.